It is.
It's a hot one. It's a hot one out here. Ladies and gentlemen, let the show begin. Johnny and Ricardo on a hot Tuesday morning. We started out the day with what, Jay? You want to say what we had on the truck already?
Yeah, with flat tire. We had a nail.
It was a screw. It was a screw this big.
Yeah, it was screwed this up inside the tire.
Yeah, so it was a.
We had to get two. We had to put two patches.
Two patches on it. It was a really bad one. But we started out our day with a flat tire, and it's 11:20. We were supposed to be out here at 9. We told the owners that we were going to be out here at 9. So here's what happened. We have 5 jobs on the schedule right now. Right now, there's 5 jobs on the schedule. We are not hauling off a trailer. And what we decided to do, Johnny had a great idea this morning. He said, Ricardo, let's see how much money we can just get out of the truck. So I was like, okay, I guess we'll try it. So we decided to drop off the trailer, and he's doing it again, isn't he? And we decided to drop off the trailer and just take the truck, and we're gonna do how much money can we actually get out of the pickup truck? Smoney. How much money we can get out of the pickup truck? So that's what we're gonna shoot for, Jay. So everything that we put in the truck, y'all are gonna see. We're gonna strap it down. So we brought a lot of straps, and the whole idea is I want to teach people that using their truck, just like Madison does, right, is you can actually make a good living. So today we're gonna put at least 4 of the 5 jobs behind this truck, and we're gonna bust ass and take name. And guys, we are actually in Allen, Texas, home of Kyler Murray, the #1 pick in the
draft.
There you go.
Heisman Trophy winner.
Heisman Trophy winner. No, keep on going straight. Go straight. Heisman Trophy winner and the #1 pick in the draft to the Arizona Cardinals. Are they called the Arizona Cardinals? Yeah, they are called Arizona. So we're here, guys. We're gonna show y'all a great time lapse. We're gonna pick up stuff. There's not gonna be much editing in this video right here. And here we go. Let's see what we got. All right, guys, we're officially at the first job here at Tandy Leather. Tandy Leather right there. And it is about 8 pallets where our count was very, very off, but we're gonna ditch these into their dumpster too. I don't know, I just found these underneath the seat. All right, here's what we got going so far. Jay managed to put about 6 of the pallets in the back of the truck. But to save room, I've also used a dumpster. Check this out. I put some of the pallets in here. 150 bucks, they won't care. I don't think it's a big deal. Let's get out of here. Is done. We got plenty of room in the trailer. Jay, what'd you think, brother?
Quick, easy. It's money time. It's money time. It look a little dark in here.
Go! 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 On the tollway. Go! Tollway. Go! 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 Hit the button. Now hit the button on the outside. Let me try to make it.
That car door shit. That car door shit. That car door shit.
Don't compare me to fucking nice cars.
Fuck it. I put up to a bucket.
Don't you fucking do that. Don't you dare fucking do that.
Everybody shit. It's your shit.
Okay, that was a very easy job. $150 for some pallets. We're gonna head out to the second job that's actually going to be in Dallas off the tollway. We're gonna pick that up and then head to the third job, and we're just gonna count them down, each one of them, guys, but
Knocking them off.
knocking them off like knocking off hose.
I don't know that.
Yeah, me either. Hey, edit that.
Knocking it out like knocking out pins.
Pins. Bowling pins. Yeah. All right, there it is. All right, see you in a few. Arrived at the second job today. We heard some pallets behind a dumpster. We're gonna get them. Jay, check it out. Let's go. Well, I sip on my drink. It's hot out here today. You got this?
I got it.
Okay. As we're going through the jobs, every one of these jobs, you're gonna notice that we're gonna stop.
Hey, I need some help, bro. It's like 20 of them.
All right, guys, let's see this. We did not know how many there was at this job, so now we're gonna come out here and see what. Holy shit! Jay, you got that?
I got it, bro.
Oh, that's
It's a 20 pounder.
Oh,
20 pounder.
20 pounder.
Yeah, I didn't say 20.
Oh, I thought you said there was 20 pallets, so it's 20
big old
pounds.
bag.
Now you can do it two ways. You can do it the J-Rock or the Mark way. Which one do you want to do it today? Oh, we're gonna go Mark. So Mark was an ex-employee, and every time he carried something, he did a lot of drama. So here we go. Let the acting begin. Ah! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! We got this, right?
I got it.
You sure about this?
Got it.
Oh my God! How you? Can you put it in the truck? Are you sure? Oh my God! Mark, are you okay?
I need a raise.
20 pounds. 20. Okay. For some reason, I thought he said there was about 20 pallets, but apparently not, guys. That's the second job of the day right there. It was one big pallet. It's gonna cost him about $75 to do that. God damn it! So you got again. Go! 2 down, and Johnny go! You're struggling with the door. You gotta push the button on the outside. Go! Go! And he's getting frustrated. I'm gonna go out there. Show him how to close the door. He was born retarded. We are in Dallas. We just came from Allen. We just finished this in Dallas.
We went north.
Hey, go this way. I thought I saw
South.
something. Yeah, go this
Now
way.
we're going west.
Go this way. I saw something there. Catch that. So, I think I just saw some trash near another dumpster. That while we're here, we could just throw it in the dumpster and get paid for it. But we're not sure. I'm not sure what I saw. Here's the thing about it. We help out this company all the time, and if we see other stuff near the dumpster, they allow us to pick it up. But going back to what Johnny said, they do got us going around the Metroplex.
We went north.
Yeah.
Came back south, Dallas, and I'm going west.
Yes, we are. Right here, Jay. Pull in here. By that dumpster. You see it right there?
We're thinking with Tupac and Biggie.
Going west, East Coast, West Coast. Oh, I like that. East Coast, West Coast. Okay. That was an East Coast, West Coast reference. Because I'm not in a gang. I didn't understand it.
Gang gang. Gang gang.
No, that's just the number 3. He just put up number 3. All right, let's go. Oh, there it is. There it is. Stop. 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 Okay, now we're stuck to get out. All right, guys, we're here actually at the third job of the day, which was just a little further than the other job, but it is actually confirmed as another job here. Oh shit, what did I step on? Holy cow. All right, here we go. Johnny.
What you gonna do?
And here we go. We're gonna load this and get on our way here really quick. Show y'all how to do this and get it out of the... It's not gonna fit. Is it? Yeah, it is.
Dude. Push with it. Push with it.
It's gonna get caught. It's gonna get caught. Fuck. All right, there we go. There we go. There we go. The first piece went in, and we'll take that piece with us. So we took something. You know what I mean? There we go. And there's the second piece. J-Rock is loading it right now. It's actually a desk. What'd you say? No, they told us. Why, you want them? Oh, no, sir. Yeah, thanks, man. Appreciate that. Okay, he thought we were actually looking for pallets, but we're not. Okay, what happened there? What happened? Oh, no, what happened, bro? The guy came up and asked us if, because he's a little baby, I had to close the door for him. All right, what happened? Tell us what happened.
That ice rolled up on us, bro.
Yeah?
Yeah. You know how, that one boy that been in the hood too long?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, I got some pallets, fool. I got some nigga. I got what you got, man. That was, yeah. I thought he was rolling up on us.
Let's go. All right, we're gonna head out of here. 3 jobs so far, guys. We're going to 4 and number 5. And the 3rd job was right down the street from the other job, right, Jay? Mm-hmm. But I'm gonna make a massive time lapse to make it look like we drove miles.
These jobs so easy, make you want to slap your mama.
No, mama, no te quiero pegar. No. Maybe his mama, not my mom.
I'm talking about the sauce, the seasoning sauce. You ever had the seasoning sauce slapping?
Going to the next stop. It's in Grapevine, Texas. It's only a mattress.
Home of the Mustangs.
Oh, home of the what?
Mustangs.
Home of the Mustangs. Apparently they're home of the Mustangs. And we're just gonna pick up a box spring or a mattress. We heard it's behind a, what'd they say, a dumpster, right? Or something like that? Dumpster. So we're gonna check it out and see what's going on.
Bro.
You're always tired. We've only done 3 jobs.
How many jobs we got left? I'm tired.
I know you're tired, Jay. You've been saying you've been tired for the whole day since we started.
I didn't go to sleep till 3 o'clock in the morning last night.
Well, maybe you should stop talking on the phone all night, eh?
Well, however I feel. Let me feel how I feel.
Always be sure y'all get employees with good sleep. That's really important in this. After the 1st job, he said he was tired. The 2nd job, he said he was tired. The 3rd job, we said he was tired. Now we're at the 4th job, and he's still tired. But I guarantee he's the one that's going to go pick up this mattress right now. If we see it. Do you see it? Here we go, guys. Let's check and see. So it's supposed to be somewhere around here. I can't see it from here. Okay. You'll pick it up.
Yeah, I got it.
Okay. Yeah, let's see if you can find something. Yeah, they said it was back there.
Got it. Stay out here. Pick some pallets.
Oh, well, I'll straighten out the truck, I guess. Okay, so here's what's going on, guys. We're back here. We're gonna pick up a mattress. Jay's back there getting a mattress, and you got it. Hey. Okay, he should be coming out any second now. This is the kind of work that we do, guys. We come out to Jay, you got it? Okay. We usually come, what the fuck? We come out to these shopping centers and I've been actually working with this lady for the last few years. She's always given me this job. It's either trash in the front or trash in the back. And he should be coming out with this mattress any second now. Here he goes. What the hell? Go back here and check it out. Hey, J-Rock? 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 J... What the fuck? Jay! Jay! Pick up the mattress, not sleep on it.
I was making sure there were no bugs on her, bro. I had to lay down with them because they only come out when you lay down. They can feel your body heat. So I'll make sure there weren't no bugs on her. There ain't no bugs. Ain't no bugs.
Ain't no bugs, huh?
That's one way to tell if you ain't got bugs. You gotta lay down sometime, make sure ain't no bugs.
So you were just testing it out?
I was making sure they don't come out.
This was
bugs, but no, I ain't that tired. We're gonna sleep right here in daylight. Grapevine, home of the Mustang. Any type of Mustang can come over here and get you. Home of the raccoons too.
What? I think what's going on here is Johnny's had a long night, so I'm gonna help him grab the mattress and we're gonna get the heck out of here. I don't know what exactly just happened there, but I think my boy went to sleep.
I'll make sure no bed bugs. Ain't no bed bugs.
That was kind of weird, huh? I guess it is what it is. heading out. We got one more job on the sketch. Let's go, Jay.
I'm still sleepy. I'm still sleepy. Just to let you know.
That was job number 4. We are heading over to job number 5. It is a basketball goal in Keller, Texas. So we're a few miles away. Not much. We're close by. We are arriving at the last job. Just showed up here in Keller, Texas, guys. It's about 1:17. This is the 5th job of the day. Am I right? When I say 5, cinco trabajos automatically, guys. And we're gonna show up to the house. We should be pulling up any second now. So here's the trick. Are we able to put a basketball goal in the back of this Ford F-350 dash truck? J-Rock, what do you think?
Yeah, it's all in the setup. It's all in the strategy and the Stratanonymous of the
Wait, you said the Strata who?
Stratanonymous of the
what's that?
The set metaximus in the back of the truplancumus. It's all in the triplexions. If the Optimus Primus of the trunk
Right there, that's gotta be it.
I'm not through.
No, go ahead. Keep on Optimus Primus your ass.
Yeah, so if the situation is cool, anything can be flat masons. Gotta take this old belt off, drive safe.
I honestly don't know what the hell he just said, but let's just get this basketball goal in the back of this truck. That's all I really Optimus Prime care about. Johnny is an avid basketball fan, and he's gonna show us his LeBron James impersonation.
I can shoot.
Yeah, he can shoot a lot.
Give me the basketball.
Okay, we're here. Right there, there's the basketball goal. We don't know where it's at. Hold on one second. All right, here's what's going on. The homeowner is going to bring a basketball, and J-Rock is Jordan, what we call him Jordan, is going to dunk it right here. Jordan, so you stand right about here, Jay. Right here. You just throw the ball right about here.
Anywhere.
Right.
Anywhere. Zion.
Right about here, and he's going to dunk it. Ready? Set, go!
Sometimes I dream
that he
got to say that's how I dream to be. I
dream I groove like Mike. If I could be like Mike, I wanna be like Mike. Like Mike. If I could be like.
We came close, but so far, but so close.
So we're gonna move the
yeah, we're gonna move this stuff, man. We'll have it out of here in a second, okay? Okay. Sideways?
yeah, the lock in. Don't stick that over there.
Man, how did that not happen that way? I don't think we should just go over it like that.
It's a lot of weight for them bungees.
We got a strap. And one strap with no straps on it.
What the thing at? The piece.
I got a strap coming anyway.
Yeah.
Here, hold on.
Do I need to get out of here now?
Maybe. Yeah, the strap's gonna get it here.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to get out of here.
Okay.
I'm already stuck.
Let's try, homie. Alrighty. We just finished the last job of the day, guys. That's 5 jobs completed today in the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex. We ran all the way around from Allen to Fort Worth to Keller to Dallas, completing 5 jobs, and they all fit in the back of this truck.